Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Nissan Altima. First, gather your tools: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Next, make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 4½ to 5 quarts, and a new oil filter. Finally, safely lift your Altima using a jack and secure it with jack stands on a level surface. Now that your car is ready, locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old, dirty oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes several minutes, so be patient and let it all flow out. Once the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter with your filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then tighten the drain plug. Lower your car, then open the hood and pour the new engine oil into the filler cap. Check your owner's manual for the exact oil capacity. After adding the new oil, check the level with the dipstick and add more if necessary to reach the full mark. Start your engine for a minute or two, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Finally, take your old engine oil to an approved recycling center for proper disposal. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.